The headquarter of South Railway situated in Chennai. The headquarter of South Railway situated in Chennai. In which institute the training of electrical work is begin? In which institute the training of electrical work is being given? Indian Railway Institute of Electrical Engineering. Indian Railway Institute of Electrical Engineering. Who invented the railway engine? George Stephenson. Who invented the railway engine? George Stephenson. Where is the Indian Railway Institute? The Mechanical Electrical Engineering Institute situated Jamalpur. Where is the Indian Railway Institute? Mechanical Electrical Engineering situated in Jamalpur. In metro rail is the functioning at which of the following state? Western Bengal. Metro rail is functioning in which of the following Indian state? West Bengal. The zone with the minimum length is north east frontal railway. Minimum length किसकी है? North Eastern Frontal Railway. North Eastern Frontal Railway. Where is the Indian Railway Institute of Civil Engineering Institute situated? Pune. How many training institute of railway are in India? 7. How many training institute of railway are in India? 7. What is the position of Indian Railway under the zonal system? Second. What is the position of Indian Railway under zonal system? Second. Which is the gauge is used to hilly area? Narrow gauge. हिली एरिया में कौन सा यूज़ किया जाता है? तो नैरो गुर्ज. Where is the extreme north of the Indian railway station? Jamutwi. Where is the extreme north of Indian railway station? Jamutwi. How many institute give suggestion for railway technology? How many institute give suggestion for railway technology? 2. Diesel locomotive work is situated Varanasi. Diesel locomotive work in Varanasi. How manufacturing of steam engine in Chittaranjan locomotive work was stopped? How the manufacturing of steam engine in Chittaranjan locomotive work was stopped in 1971. The passenger bogies of the Indian Railway are manufacturing at which of the following place? The passenger bogies of the Indian Railways are manufacturing at which of the place? Pirambar. Indian Railway, which is the largest of the public sector enterprises, divided into how many regions? 9. Indian Railway, which is the largest of the public sector enterprises, is divided into how many regions? 9. Beside Maharashtra, Karnataka and Goa, which of the fourth one is? Kerala. Place of wheel train was integrated in which year? 1982. Place of wheel train are integrated in which place? 1982. When was the Central Railway established? Was the Central Railway established? 5 November 1951. 5th November 1951. Rajasthan is under which of the regional zone? Western regional. The largest national enterprises of India is Indian Railway. The largest enterprise is Indian Railway. The first locomotive which is manufacturing Chittaranjan, November 1950. The first locomotive which is manufacturing in Chittaranjan, November 1950. The good quality wood for slipper is teak. The wood for slipper is teak. When the Jammu city appeared on the map of Indian Railway. When the Jammu city appeared on the map Indian Railway, 1965. Where is the headquarter of Central Railway situated? Mumbai.